Valentine. Can I you the making my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear. You are like the oxygen I need to survive. Your loving they totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your